Hello, I wanted to give you some brief instructions on how to write, save, and submit thought paper number 2. Okay, so first let's find thought paper number 2 in the course modules. So click over here on course modules. And although this may vary, I believe that thought paper number 2 is located in Module 13 of this particular course. So find your thought paper assignment and click on the assignment. This will open up the specific directions on completing your thought paper. So for this assignment, I have these general guidelines. I want you to be submitting a 2-page paper that follows APA format. The paper is worth 50 points. Here you'll see the topic, and for this topic we're going to be focusing on psychological disorders and treatment. I start off here with a definition of psychological disorders, and then I ask you to consider a person that you're familiar with in the media and using their behaviors diagnose them with the psychological disorder from chapter 15 of your OER. I also ask you to suggest a form of therapy from chapter 16. This assignment should be written in paragraph structure and should also adhere to the general guidelines of APA format. Here is a quick table that will remind you of the general guidelines for APA style and format. You should use 1-inch margins, 12-point Times New Roman font. You should also have your name as a header on every page. Your paper should be double-spaced, using only black ink, and you should use proper grammar and punctuation. Things to avoid are slang, abbreviations, obscenities, any special types of fonts, colors, or all caps. You should also not be using informal language or contractions. Here I give you a specific hint that you should save your paper as a PDF file. Saving and submitting a PDF file allows you to lock in your APA format. Doing this will help you maximize your APA format points. Here below you can see a thought paper rubric. Although this is for thought paper 1, you can also use it to apply to the second thought paper. You will be given 15 points for content, use of lecture or book, grammar, and format. So make sure to write 2 full pages. Make sure to include a specific celebrity with a diagnosis and treatment, and make sure to adhere to APA format. If you have any questions or concerns about this paper, please feel free to email me, and I would be glad to help.